Side post batteries. Check these terminals. Unless you want to be stranded. They're loose. Happen a lot with these. Let's use the impact. Speed it up. Looks good. Alright. Own a GM car. Keep a 5/16 or an 8mm wrench on your car. Make sure these side posts are tight, because they loosen up and your car freaks out. See, that one still needs a little more. When it gets hot again, go back, tighten them up. They're gonna loosen. This battery was put in about a year ago. It's 511. It's almost that time, and failed to tighten it up. Freaking out. Wouldn't start before. Lights were going crazy. The what is it? Check voltage at the battery was spiking and dropping down to like nothing. And the engine was shaking. Now it's idling much better. Still does it a little bit. You see the light flicker, maybe. That's because I think the alternator's going out. This gauge goes. See what happens. So, put the tools away. Let's check our voltage. Yay, voltage! You're not gonna be able to see. I see it's freaking out again. See it die. Hold on. Okay, so we still got the light flicker. See your voltage reading. Oh, you saw it go down right there. Yep, see? It's when it starts flickering. Go from 13.5. I see now it's freaking out again, but it's going up to 15 and down to about 12. Not so much anymore. A little bit better, but still I think that alternator, the voltage regulator is fucking it. Yeah. Make sure those terminals are tight though, they will loosen up. Off of a light here, but on this rig, now you're not going to be able to see, but the starter mode is right in there. Tighten up those terminals, they could be loose. That one's good on the back of the alternator, and that junction block is good. So this one's down to 1305. So these lights, you can see that. Might be picking it up. See in the corner of your screen. It's flickering. Starting to run a little rough now too. That tensioner belt's rocking too. Yeah, it's not running nearly as rough as it was. I'm gonna shut the AC off. Yeah, we're not rocking so much now. You hear it in the exhaust now too. That's it for now. I ain't fucking with this thing no more. At least the terminals are tight. It's like 90% better than it was, believe it or not. Look at our voltage now. It's 1292. 1288. Maybe. Battery could be fucked too. It's all over the place again. Turn this thing off and keep leaving it on. It's a 2-wire. You get rebuild kits for the same alternator series, but it's 4-wire. And 4-wire is not correct for this year. It's 06. I think 2005 is the first year they started using the 2-wire one. And then this is actually a battery sensor right here. See the little inductive pickup? Picks up the signal from the negative side, and from that it actually modulates the alternator, and it changes the voltage, because There's like a charging voltage that steps it up. There's a cruising voltage that slows it down so it avoids overcharging, which will make your battery spill out. Which could be the case with this deal, because that voltage is kind of freaking out, but 15 volts will probably cook a battery. But who cares? I'll probably get another battery when I get it to the alternator. It's all covered. Oh, I had another deal over here too, but I think it's just grease. Yeah, that's just grease down there. It was all wet. Grease is oozing from the heat. It's not leaking. I thought it needed like